Okay, sports fans, welcome back to the ElectaFile.com YouTube channel where we are showing you the various steps necessary to use ElectaFile.com to make your North Carolina campaign finance compliance a heck of a lot easier. If you have been filing using paper, we want you to use ElectaFile. If you have been using free software, we want you to use ElectaFile. If you have been using software built on the national level that's not tailored to North Carolina, we want you to use ElectaFile. This video shows you how to do it. You've seen some other videos on our YouTube channel, so we'll get right to it. For first timers, this is the dashboard. Folks who've been here before in this, call it coursework, will recognize the dashboard as being specific to the Winchester County Republican Party. Once you set up a free user account at ElectaFile and associate that free user account with a particular committee, you will have a dashboard that gives you at your fingertips all the contacts of folks that you've been doing business with, that you've told ElectaFile you've done business with. You also can see your receipts, your expenditures. But this video is about what do you do when here on October 23rd, 2022, the third quarter plus reporting deadline closed yesterday and it's time to go ahead and file your report. Well, you come to your dashboard first every time. It's sort of like home base. You come to the dashboard, you go to reports. I've already been here to test drive this thing for you guys, so I'm going to delete this one and start over. Yes, delete. And we do ask you twice because we don't want to undo your hard work if you've entered information and then accidentally delete it. So let's go with new report. Now we have not filed our organizational report because we just signed up for ElectaFile. You know, if you just came over to ElectaFile and your committee has existed for 1,000 forevers, you already filed your organizational report. So don't worry about that. But let's go to third quarter plus. We'll click there. The details, the committee name. You will have your Board of Elections ID number. If you just got informed, you may not, but if you have filed before, you will go back and enter that up here on the user account, which we will do another time. But trust me on that, you can cruise over to the right to user account and update your Board of Elections ID number once you have it. The report period started 10/16. If you've watched the earlier videos, you know we just started the Winchester County Republican Party. Winchester County does not exist in North Carolina, but we use that as our hypothetical county, also with the town of Shady Acres. So if you're actually from Shady Acres, North Carolina, please let me know. The reporting period ends October 22nd. We need to tell how many fundraisers we've had. Let's say that we've been pretty active in the span of about 6 days and we had 3 fundraisers. Click continue. It's then going to show you the receipts you have in the reporting period for the third quarter plus report. So we know that we have already, in the other video, we had a Sunny Day who gave us $100. If you remember, big fans of the program, Sunny Day almost gave us cash, but the system reminded us that that was impossible, and we remember that Sunny Day, in fact, had given us $100 as a credit card. Walter Winchell, the reporter from New York, gave $100. So that's telling you a survey of your receipts that fall within this reporting window. Same thing with expenditures. Sam's Signage Shop, he got a check for $100. That shows up on your expenditures. You then have an other screen that gives you some more complex, less common scenarios. You'll be prompted to complete the various forms if you need to. Continue to file report. Now, we're not going to actually file using ElectaFile for Winchester County because that will confuse the State Board of Elections. I don't want to do that. But what we will do is we'll show you a preview button that allows you to look at everything you've entered in the old-fashioned PDF format to see that it checks out. And once you've done that and you're ready to file, you click Pay and File with the Board of Elections, and that will take you over to stripe.com, where you see the $59.99 charge amount. If you're looking at this video and you want a promo code, send me an email at support@electafile.com, and we'll get you a promo code to knock that price down a little bit. That is a very fair price. We're proud of that number. We think we can keep it pretty low like that for a long time, but we do have some promotions going on. Just send me an email, and I will get that to you. What you see, your typical Stripe conversation there, promo code on the left enter your credit card information and pay to file. So we're not going to do that right now because that'll confuse everybody. So we're going to click back. It will back us to, and say the payment didn't go through, and you could try again, or you could return to reports, right? And then let's say that you start today on your third quarter plus report, but then you just come back later and say, I don't want to file it today, I want to proofread it. You can preview it, which we've already seen right there. You can also edit it, which starts you back at the top to go details, receipts, expenditures, other, and file report. So we aim to simplify things using ElectaFile.com. It's transactionally priced. You're not going to pay us for anything unless and until you click File using the Stripe window that I just showed y'all. Then, once you're done, and you say, let's just say that we have filed the third quarter plus report, it's going to live here on in your electronic file library so that you can continue to look at it, preview it, edit it, so on and so forth. So as you file reports through what I hope will be a long time with ElectaFile.com, you're essentially building a library. The more data you give ElectaFile under your password protected account, the easier your job can be going forward. One more thing, big idea here. For those of you out there who are campaign finance, party treasurers across the counties, if you decide that you want to move to the beach and hang it up, you can hand off your credentials for the ElectaFile account and they can see the information that you have already entered. We will try to minimize the situation where the current treasurer or the outgoing treasurer has to find books from all over the county to piece together the history of the reporting for that particular committee. So anywhere with internet connection and a free ElectaFile account can use this platform. We're real proud of it. We hope you will continue to watch this YouTube channel for more information about ElectaFile. And remember, if you've stayed with us this far, today is October 23rd, 2022. This video may be on here for years, but the filing window in 2022 for the third quarter plus report concludes on November 1st. So you got about, 9 days. So happy hunting. If you have feedback on this video, please let us know. Many ways to get in touch with us. You can email me at support@electafile.com if you want a promo code. Thanks for your time.